We are going for this year's Market Day into new venues where we will not necessarily have kids who come from more privileged backgrounds, where they will have the resources to be able to develop all of these kinds of crafts. And therefore, the responsibility and the message that we would like you to take out is that we encourage families to really encourage their kids and to participate in assisting their kids to build all of these crafts. Alongside the Mzansi Magic Market Day, which this year will take place on Saturday the 3rd of September in Johannesburg at Maponya Mall, like I had said earlier, in Durban, at the Gateway Mall in Cape Town, at Canal Walk, in Port Elizabeth at Boardwalk Amphitheatre, as well as Mimosa Mall in Bloemfontein. We will be trying to reach out to specific schools in less privileged areas of the country. Mnet Cares has also, as part of this year's initiative, developed several mechanisms to reach to those young South Africans who may not have access to resources to take part in this initiative. And I'll just highlight some of the resources that we've developed. An example of which is this business box, which, like Kenneth was showing you the business plan earlier on. We have templates of business plans in here. We have documentation that the children will need the assistance of their families, their parents, their teachers to be able to develop the kinds of business plans that will be judged by our regional coordinators and therefore selected as part of the finalists that will be able to display their stalls at the various malls.